Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset, also known as hard reset, your LG Stylo 5. Let's go. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now. All right, so the reason you may want to do this is your phone may have a virus. It may just have a bunch of stuff on it that you want deleted so your phone can start running normally again. Maybe it's not working properly anymore and you want to perform a hard reset. Also, maybe you can't get into your phone, you have a password and you can't get into it. So I'm going to be showing you two methods to do the hard reset. Let's go. First off, I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings, which is super simple. Just go to settings here, go to general. Here in general, you're going to scroll down to where it says backup and reset. So as you can see, it's right down here. Here in backup and reset, we're going to select the option down here that reads factory data reset. You're going to select this. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset phone. Remember, this is going to erase everything on your device back to its factory condition. So back up anything that you don't want deleted. Once you're ready, hit reset phone and then go ahead and confirm by hitting delete all. Once you hit delete all, the reset process will begin and everything on your phone will be erased. Let's go ahead and power it off. I'm going to show you how to do it now with the buttons so that you can do a hard reset as well in case you can't get into your phone. So power your phone off. Once your phone is completely off, what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold volume down and the power button, and you're going to continue to hold them. When you see the LG logo pop up, you're going to quickly let go of the power button and continue to press and hold it while continuing to hold volume down. So never let go of volume down. Let go of the power button and press it again when you see the LG logo. All right, let's go ahead and do it now. Volume down, power button, LG logo, let go, press it again, and continue to hold it for a few more seconds until you see this factory data reset screen. Then you can let go. Once we're here, we're going to scroll down with the volume down button to yes, hit the power button, and then here it's going to ask us to confirm one more time that everything is going to be erased. So scroll down one more time to yes, hit the power button, and the reset process will begin. Give it a few seconds, maybe a couple minutes, until the process is complete. Alright, and as you can see, the phone has been completely reset. It's at the initial setup of the device, where here you can select your language, follow the prompts here through the settings so that you can get your LG Stylo 5 set up. Alright, so that was a quick video showing you how to factory hard reset your LG Stylo 5. So hope that video helped you out. If it did, give it a like. It really helps me out. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace.